Hello children, when you get this video clip, take out your general science reader, lesson number 4, animals, common insects. Now we are going to learn about some common insects. Now which are those common insects? Common insects are cockroaches, butterfly, ladybird. Here you will see in the picture is the ladybird, the dragonfly and the grasshopper. These are all common insects which you see them everywhere in the garden, around your house. All these are common insects which we see them. Yes. Now here you find, here in the blank you will write down which insects is this. This is a cockroach and this is a butterfly. So fill in these gaps and write down cockroach over here and butter over here. Cockroach spelling you can note down COCKROACHE, cockroach. Butterfly BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Now these are colorful insects. These are common insects which you see them every day and in every place you find them. Yes. Now after saying this, now you see this ladybird. It is a small insect. It's a common yellow orange color insect. You can call it a scarlet color. Scarlet means a bright red color with small black spots on its body and on its wings cover. They are commonly found in the garden or even in the field. Now, and this one is a dragonfly. Dragonflies are flying insects and they are found in the lake, in the pond, in the wetland, and you can find them in the monsoon season. They have large transparent wings. Here you will see large transparent wings. Dragonfly, large. It's very transparent. Transparent means see through, we can see it. Now grasshoppers are medium large insects. They have a body color blending to the environment. That is means a combination of brown, gray and green color. It is blending, mixing up with the environment. So it looks what is this kind? It's blending in with brown, green and gray color. So these are all common insects. Now we learn about the body parts of an insect. Now in body parts of an insect, it has got three parts. It has got three parts. One is the head, the thorax and the abdomen. Here in the diagram you will see this is a big insect. It's the body part of an insect. Here is the head, here is the thorax and this is the abdomen. Now, it has got feelers. These long thing you see, these are feelers. It is called antenna. Here you can see two eyes, you can see the legs and here you can see the wings. Now this is antenna, it is called a feeler. Now it has got three parts: head, thorax and abdomen. It is divided into three parts. Now head of an insect has got two eyes. It has got two antenna and a mouth. Here is the mouth. It has got two antenna. It has got two eyes. Now with the help of the antenna, the insect smells, it tastes and it hears. Now you can underline this part. Okay, keep the pencil with you. Take a pencil and underline this. Has got two eyes, two antenna and a mouth. The antenna helps the insects to smell, taste and hear. And the structure of the insects, it is all of different shapes and different sizes depending on the food which they eat. Insects have different kind of mouth depending on the food they eat. Now this is the head. Now we come to the thorax part. Again it is divided into three parts. Now each segment has got a pair of legs. Each part has got a pair of legs. In insects that fly, the thorax also has got a wing. Now you look at the picture, and try to understand what is thorax, what is pair of legs, what is wings. Here everything is here given. Now we come to the abdomen part. The abdomen is the largest part of the insects. Abdomen means the down part, the down part of the insects. It is the largest part of the body. And in that it has got heart, it has got the breathing system, and it has got the digestion system. Three things are there. It contains heart, it contains the breathing system, and the digestion. So this is the body part of the insects. In the rough notebook you will draw this diagram, learn to draw this diagram, and learn to label it. Learn to label where is the head, where is the thorax, where is the abdomen, all this part. Antenna, what is antenna? And these are the, you can call them antenna, or you can call them feelers. What is the work of the antenna? It smells, taste, and hear this thing. So you must learn, draw this diagram in the rough notebook and label the diagram. Now we come to the life cycle of an insect. Now, insects means butterfly. Now, butterfly and houseflies have got 4 stages in their life cycle. Butterfly and housefly. And which is the first stage? The first stage is the egg. The second is the caterpillar. Third is the pupa. And fourth is the adult butterfly. It has got 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. So, like the grasshopper and the cockroaches, they have got only 3 stages. Underline this. The grasshopper, the cockroaches have got 3 stages. Butterfly and housefly has got 4 stages. Now in this we will learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. First, this is the butterfly. So it has got first. Now who will lay the egg? The female butterfly. The female butterfly will lay the egg on the side of the leaf or at the bottom side of the leaf. And when the egg is hatched, what will come out? A larva will come out. What will come out? A larva will come out. And after the larva, it will turn into a caterpillar. It will turn into a caterpillar. And after that, it will look like worms with many legs. That caterpillar will grow bigger and bigger by eating leaves of the plant. This caterpillar will turn big day by day. And how it will turn big? By eating the leaves. The caterpillar molds many times. Now molds means it will shed its skin, and in that the new skin will come. The caterpillar will mold many times. This is caterpillar. It means it will keep changing. The skin will come out before it changes into a pupa. And then there will be a hard case. This is called a hard case cocoon. Now the pupa, inside the cocoon, the body of the pupa changes completely. Now here changes will take place. Here the changes will take place, and later on completely, when this case will break, after that case breaks, a beautiful butterfly will come out. So this is the life cycle of the butterfly. Yes, first it will turn into an egg, then into a caterpillar, then into a pupa, and then it will turn into an adult butterfly. And this is the hard case called cocoon, covered with the pupa. It is covered with the pupa, and inside the cocoon, the body of the pupa changes completely. Here changing is taking places. Yes, and after some time, when this case will break, you find a beautiful butterfly. So with this we have learned some names of common insects. We have learned the body part of the insects, and we have learned the life cycle of the insects. Now these insects are sometimes useful also, sometimes harmful also. Yes, now that we'll learn later on. Till now, this much I have explained you. I want you to learn the names of these insects. Draw this diagram, label it and learn it. Draw the life cycle of a butterfly, draw and label it. Read this much. Read these two part of the lesson. Sit and learn. Okay? Till then, sit and learn nicely. And previously I had given you some work in science. Sit and learn and see that work is complete. Okay? Till then, take care and have a good time.